Are QSs misunderstood? Well, the simple answer would probably be yes. Quantity surveying in the UK is indeed often misunderstood, both within the construction industry and by the general public. Here are some key reasons why this might be the case. A simple lack of awareness. Unfortunately, many people are unaware of what quantity surveyors actually do, referring to them just as beam counters or similar. In reality, the profession involves a range of tasks from cost estimation, cost planning, procurement advice, contract administration and expertise, dispute resolution, to project management. However, this breadth of responsibilities is not widely known. Confusion with other roles. Quantity surveyors are sometimes confused with other professionals in the industry, such as architects, civil engineers and project managers. Each of these roles has distinct responsibilities, but the overlap in some areas can lead to the misunderstandings. Complexity of the role. The work of a quantity surveyor is complex and multifaceted, involving detailed financial contractual tasks. The technical nature of these responsibilities can be hard to explain to those outside the industry. Evolution of the role. The role of the quantity surveyor has evolved significantly over time. Originally focused primarily on cost estimation, modern quantity surveyors are now involved in all stages of the construction process, including sustainability and risk management. This evolution can lead to outdated perceptions of the profession. Perceived focus on costs. Some may perceive quantity surveyors as solely focused on cutting costs, which can create a negative impression. In reality, their role is about managing costs effectively to ensure value for money, balancing quality, time, and budget constraints. Education and training. The pathway to becoming a quantity surveyor involves specific education and training that may not be well understood by those outside the profession. This includes obtaining a degree in quantity surveying or a related field, followed by professional accreditation. Underrepresented in the media. Unlike architects or engineers, quantity surveyors are rarely highlighted in media or popular culture. This lack of representation can contribute to a lack of understanding and appreciation for their role. Addressing the misunderstandings. To improve understanding of the quantity surveying profession, several steps can be taken. Education and outreach. Increasing awareness through educational programs, career fairs, and outreach activities could help demystify the profession. Professional organisations. Bodies such as the Royal Institution of Chartered Surveyors can play a key role in promoting the profession and clarifying its importance to the industry. Media representation. Greater representation in media and industry publications could help showcase the critical role quantity surveyors play in successful construction projects. Industry collaboration. Collaboration with other professionals in the construction industry can help clarify the distinct roles and contributions of quantity surveyors. By addressing these misunderstandings, the quantity surveying profession could gain greater recognition and appreciation for its essential role in the construction industry, and perhaps even make themselves slightly more likeable. Metroun, a commercial hub for your business.